Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the wallpaper background in G3 AIO. And to do this you will need to click on the Start, open your settings, find personalization, select background, and right here you can change any wallpaper. There's also background options. Here you can select the picture, slide solid color. It will change your wallpaper to one solid color that you can choose right here, or add custom one. And also a slideshow. This will basically add many wallpapers and they will change in intervals of 30 minutes or any settings you choose right here. You can also shuffle them. Now if you want to use a custom wallpaper, you will need to select picture and then click on the browse and find the file that you want to use as your wallpaper. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.